To add a new space, open and expand the Space panel. Next, click the Add New Space Item button on the right. In the Open panel, fill in the parameters, space name, space type, maximum load limit, width, height, and length, then save. After saving, if there are issues or errors with the values, the system will notify us. Make corrections and continue by saving again. Upon successful creation, you can now see the newly added space in our list. Easily locate the added space by searching in the list or mark it as a favorite for quicker access. Lastly, for deletion or editing, we can perform these actions by clicking on the respective icons located on the far right of the list.